This year is the 155th anniversary of the publication of Charles Darwin's book on the origin of species. It was first published on the 24th of November, 1859. Written for a general audience, it presented Darwin's argument that organisms evolve as a result of generations of natural selection. Many of Darwin's ideas were developed as a result of his 5-year journey aboard the HMS Beagle as it circumnavigated the globe between 1831 and 1836. Famously, it was his stay on the Galapagos Islands which particularly inspired him to think more deeply about life on Earth. Although he was on board as a geologist, it was the animal life that caught his attention, and he became interested in the distribution of creatures such as the giant tortoises he found on the islands. He also collected specimens of what he thought were various birds. At the time, he gave little thought to these, but once back home in England, they were identified as not different types of birds, but different species of finches, all peculiar to the archipelago. This finding greatly contributed to Darwin's theory of natural selection. After returning home, Darwin spent the next 20 years developing and refining his ideas, before finally publishing his theory in book form. On the Origin of Species has been hugely influential ever since its publication, and has even been called the most important book on biology ever published.